हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल वी ब्लॉग कार्तिकेय वी ब्लॉग में आप स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इंफ्रारेड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी एब्जॉर्बर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ वेरियस फंक्शन। क्वेश्चन है इसका एक पहला, वाइब्रेशनल डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम फॉर एसिटिलीन मॉलिक्यूल इज व्हाट इज द फार्मूला 3n-5 होता है, तो n इक्वल टू 4 हो जाएगा एसिटिलीन के लिए। -5 4 3 12 -5 12 - 7 7. It has 2 rotational degree of freedom and 7 vibrational degree of freedom as per 3n-5 for linear molecule. The molecule which, second question, the molecule which is IR inactive but Raman active is N2 because which have no dipole moment and are IR. Those which have no dipole moment are in IR inactive but Raman active which have dipole moment. Do have dipole moment and IR abrupt. Question number 3. As given below the two statement, one is assertion and the other is region. Assertion, ice melts slowly at higher altitude. Region, the melting of ice is favored at the high pressure because the forward ice water shows increase and balloon. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो इसका हो जाएगा फर्स्ट वाला, बोथ ए एंड आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए, या आर इज मोर एक्यूरेट देन ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आई आर एक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल? विच आर द those which has dipole moment does not have a permanent dipole, have not a permanent dipole moment, they do not show IR spectra. Which those which possess a dipole moment change with wavelength, those are heteronuclear molecule are IR active, and CO shows spectra. CO shows IR spectra. Question number 5. An organic compound molar formula C8H8O shows a strong infrared peak at 1690 centimeter inverse. Which of the following structure can be assigned to this compound? Option A. How many NMR signal do you expect for? For one HNMR, 3 signals are found. The value of stretching vibrational frequency of a bond in IR spectrum is given by mu bar is equal to 1/2 pi c root k upon reduced mass. म्यू बार क्या है? वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी सेंटीमीटर. सी वेलोसिटी ऑफ लाइट. के फोर्स कांस्टेंट इन 9 सेंटीमीटर. म्यू रिड्यूस्ड मास ऑफ द एटम. Match list first and list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. Molecule point group. Which point group S2 has 4. C2b point group. HCl have C infinite B point group. CH4 have TD point group. Trans CH Cl have C2H point group. तो इसका ऑप्शन ए का 4. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? C वाला is not correctly matched because one high proton shift ppm spectrum of IR region is correspond to 4000 to 667 centimeter inverse. A molecule in vibrational motion is associated with energy equal to the following. Vibration are two types of associated with vibration along the length of the molecule. Kinetic energy and potential energy contribute to degree of freedom. Thus, vibrational energy is equal to half kBT. With reference to P4S3, which of the following statement is accurate? Symmetry of P4S3 is C3 and it has 3 pp bond. The structure of P4S3 is इसमें ए वाला सही होगा. Only first. Because the symmetry with reference to P4 is C3b and it has 3 pp bond. Raman spectrum showed that molecule formula of gallium chloride is DgACl3 because whose valence is 3 and it form a chloride of NgL3. The oxidation number of Ga is +3 and Cl is -1. Match list first and list second. Select the correct answer using the code given below the list. वाह! मॉलिक्यूल एक तरफ दिया है, एक तरफ पॉइंट ग्रुप दिया है। कौन सा कैसे मिलेगा? H2O जो है C2B पॉइंट ग्रुप है, BtCl4 -2 एनायन D4H पॉइंट ग्रुप, NH3 के पास C3B पॉइंट ग्रुप, BF3 के पास D3H पॉइंट ग्रुप। दोस्तों अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। धन्यवाद दोस्तों। थैंक यू।